Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the TCS company for the batch 2020 and 2021. For 2019 batch they will provide or they will start the link soon. Okay, because they have already mentioned registration will be open for 2019 batch soon. Okay, so this drive is right now this drive is only for 2020 and 2021. So registrations are already open and test date is ongoing. That means aptitude test. You need to also check the test eligibility that we will check in this video. So TCS is conducting an off-campus recruitment drive for to invite in continuous batches depending on the date of your registration. So what is the application process? First of all, you need to log on to the next step portal. If you have you will get this link here. So I'll just open this link. So in this link you need to log on. If you are a first time user or first time registering on this portal, then you need to click on this register button, or if you already have a registered account, then you can directly log in by user ID and password. So if you are a new, then click on register now, then you need to select IT. Then after that it will redirect to the next page. Here you need to give all the details, like even from basic details you need to give your first name, last name, your date of birth, your gender, then your email ID. Please give your email ID correct, because whatever communication will happen, that will happen through your mail ID only. Please also give mobile number correct, your institute name, your qualification. Then you can select nearest test location as well. So let me click on the drop down button. You can select as per your okay. So let me go down. Then you need to enter password, re-enter, and you can select security question. You can type those characters here and submit. So in this way you can register. So once you register, you will redirect to the next page. That means you will successfully log in into the TCS next step portal. In that, after so if you already logged in, then you can if you have already login details, then you can enter your email ID, password. Okay, so if you don't know your password, then click on reset password and generate your password. You will get some OTP on your email and you can verify. So you once you log in, okay, so once you log in into the TCS next step portal, then you need to click on apply for drive. You need to click on apply for drive. So if you are a registered user, kindly log in and proceed the application form that I have just shown you before, this form, and upon submission kindly click on apply for drive. So and if you are a new user, and kindly click on register now, choose as IT category, proceed and fill all your details, submit your application form and click on apply for drive. To confirm your status, check the track your application. The status should be reflected as applied for drive. Okay, so you can track your application as well. So the status, it should be applied for drive. That means you have successfully applied for the TCS drive. Test pattern, test provider is you can check here. TCS and NQT is the test provided for this TCS hiring process. There will be part A, part B. Part A, in that cognitive skills, numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. Numerical ability will be for 40 minutes, verbal ability for 30 minutes, reasoning ability for 50 minutes. So total part A will be of 120 minutes. Part B, it will be your programming based section, and that section will be for 45 minutes. So part B will be for total 60 minutes. So considering part A and part B, your total test duration will be 180 minutes. So I will tell you one thing guys, So if you suppose they might ask 2 or 3 coding problems, and suppose they ask 3 coding problems, and if you solve at least one, or if you execute at least one coding problem statement with one test case also fine, then you will get or you will crack your aptitude test round. Okay, so basically they focus on coding section. Okay, so to clear your first round. Okay, so try to execute at least one code, at least one program problem statement with one test case is also fine, as I earlier said. Okay, then test preparation with the topics with the TCS resonance. You can check here. You can join these test preparation if you want to prepare, otherwise not a problem. Test eligibility. What is the eligibility criteria for this one? The percentage required, minimum aggregate required 60 percentage or 6 CGPA in 10th, 12th or diploma, in graduation and post graduation is required. And the highest qualification, a student should have completed their education in the course duration, that is no extended education. Backlogs or ATKT, students should not have any pending backlogs, gap or break in education. It is mandatory to declare gaps in education if any available. Overall academic gap should not exceed 24 months until the highest qualification. Relevant document proof as applicable will be checked for gaps in education. So if you are having any education gap, then they will check your documents, verify your documents. Course types, only full-time courses will be considered, part-time or correspondence courses will not be considered. And students who have completed their secondary or senior secondary course from NIOS, that is National Institute of Open Schooling, are also eligible to apply if the other courses are full-time. Work experience, student with prior work experience up to 2 years are eligible to apply for the TCS off campus drive. So suppose if you are having up to 2 years of experience, then yes, you are eligible to apply. And age, it should be between 18 to 20 years to, sorry 28 years. Course and discipline, you should be from BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc from any specialization offered by recognized university or college are eligible. So if you are from electronics or instrumentation or mechanical, then all branches are allowed to apply. Okay, so if you have any questions, then you can go to this section, that is frequently asked questions. And you have some important notes. If you face any technical issue, then you can drop an email to them. So in this way you can apply for the TCS off campus drive. So you can also check here, if you already have a reference ID or email, then directly log in, submit all these details and click on apply for drive. So if you are a new user, okay, so if you are a new user, then fill all these details, register, then fill all the required details again and click on apply for drive. So in this way you can click from here as well to register now, and click on IT. So in this way you can apply for the off campus drive. So thanks for watching this video.